unfortunately, I think I had like a mini stroke. So I'm unable to talk. And I can't walk. And of course, I can't eat. But I put a feeding tube. So I have a feeding tube. Um, I can't. So it's hard for me to breathe and to talk. But I guess, oh, it's not really that good. And I have the hiccups and I stop. Hiccups. I can't breathe, can't speak. And I'm on a feeding tube.